New to my channel, click subscribe, click bell to notify you for new uploads. Left button, right button, scroll wheel or mouse pointer, single click, double click, single click, double click. Now we're going to move our mouse pointer by using the scroll wheel. Just move around. We have both two buttons on both sides, the left and the right. Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you on how to use your computer mouse. I'm just going to demonstrate the basics. We're just going to create a folder by using those buttons and the scroll wheel. Alright, I'm going to go start now. I'm just going to go spin my scroll wheel. As you can see, the mouse pointer is doing the circle. Now I'm done. Let's go create a folder. Press left, single click, then select new, select folder. By clicking these, you need to use your left button. Just do the single click. From here we're able to use the left click, and now we have our new folder. Next, we're just going to delete this folder. Press right click. We're not gonna do any leak for a moment. As you can see, we have different options here. We're just going to use the word delete. Let's select delete and then use your left button by doing a single click. Now we have a message that says, are you sure you want to move this folder to the recycle bin? We are going to remove and we are going to totally delete this folder. So we should really say yes by pressing left button, single click. From there we are able to delete the folder. I hope this video helps you by moving and navigating and creating simple tasks on your Windows desktop. Thank you, and see you on my next video.